Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today everyone, I'm participating in the 4th annual Wood Entertaining and Decorating Ideas Collaboration. This open collaboration is hosted by Styling with Gigi Faison, Juani's House, and ShawniOnTheSpot. I'm going to be posting the links to these ladies' channels in the description box down below. You have got to go by and check their channels out. You'll find that they have some awesome content. I'm also going to be posting below the hashtag Wood Entertaining Decor Ideas 23. So you have to check that out because along with myself, there's going to be other co-content creators and you'll be able to see all of the other ideas that they are going to be presenting and how they decorate with wood. So today, guys, I am going to be decorating with a dough bowl, okay? It's a DIY. Y'all know I don't do a lot of DIYs, but I'm gonna do one today. So I have this dough bowl and I'm gonna turn you around. I'm take you off the ring and I'm gonna show you the items that I'm gonna be working with today to decorate this dough bowl. In the meantime, y'all see, I have to put this in here. You know that, right? I'm an Eagles fan, okay? We lost last week to the Jets, our first loss for the season. But anyway, we're going to be playing again tomorrow. We're going to play Miami, so that's going to be a tough game. So much about football. Let me get back to the decorating with wood, okay? All right, so I'm going to take you guys off the ring, and we're going to get started. Okay, these are the items that I'm going to be using today. You see, we have some wood candle holders. I'm going to be incorporating some pumpkins, matchless, well, what do they call this? Not a matchless. I guess it is a matchless. Let's see. It is. It's a matchless candle. I call it an LED candle. Some pine cones. Of course, I have my wood dough bowl and some beautiful vibrant fall florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, okay? So I'm gonna pop you back up on the ring and we can get started, okay? Keep watching. Okay, so let's get started here. So typically when I arrange florals, whatever I do on one side, I do the same thing on the other side. Whether typically I'm using a vase. So today I'm using this dough bowl, so I'm gonna, practice that same methodology here, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. And, I don't know what these are called, but I like the texture of them, so I think that that's gonna, add a little something to my arrangement here. So how y'all doing today? Today is Saturday. And I hope y'all are doing good. Up in the neighborhood. Okay, then I really do love these burnt orange sunflowers. These are so pretty, guys. I was shocked that the Dollar Tree had these. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop this candle in. So let's see how we can make this here come alive. Shape up a little bit. And so what I'm going to do now, it's kind of shaping up nice. So what I'm going to do now so that you don't see the bottom of the bowl. And one of the reasons why I didn't want to glue anything down or whatever else is because I planned on maybe doing something for, you know, Christmas using my dough bowl. So I didn't want to really get any gunk in it, like glue or anything like that. So we're going to go in and kind of cover the bottom up a little bit with some pumpkins, with a couple of pumpkins. And now I'll go in with some pine cones. And they add a little, you know, they add a little filler. Now, one thing I will say about Dollar Tree florals, it's not like you can manipulate them a whole lot because they'll break, guys. It's not like the, you know, the good florals that you get from Michael's, but we gonna make this work. We gonna make it work. Let's see where this one. And so I think that came out pretty nice. I think that came out quite nicely. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer this to my table for a centerpiece, and I'm going to turn the camera around and let you guys see how it looks on the table, okay? And I'm going to put my candle holders on, so we'll go to the reveal. All right, hang in there, keep watching. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you off the ring and let you see close up how the centerpiece looks, all right? Keep watching. All right, here's the final reveal. So again, you know, I got these pumpkins. I mean, up here, these velvet pumpkins. I don't know where I got those, guys. I've had them for quite some time. But I use my wooden candle holders, and I love these braided pumpkins that I picked up from Target, and I like the natural look about them. And I also like them, and I incorporated them in particular because they complement the placemats, the wood look braided placemats on my table. So I thought that this turned out really nice. I think it makes a beautiful centerpiece, and it definitely screams fall. And I just wanted to do this one last thing because, oh my goodness, guys, can you believe it's almost the end of October? And before you know, we'll be taking all this stuff down and getting ready for Christmas. But I just wanted to give you a close-up. Here's my wooden dough bowl down the bottom. But this has really kind of turned out nice, I think. So, hey, look, if you guys like these types of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Feedback is important and it's always welcome. I appreciate you watching my video until the end. Again, check out the links to the hosts, and I'm going to be including their links in the description box down below. Check them out for some awesome content in addition to the hashtag. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. And until the next time, bye-bye.